Excuse me, I have a problem. What problem do you have? I cannot speak English fluently. Have you been practicing? Yes, but I still cannot speak confidently. How long have you been practicing? I have been practicing for a month now. Building confidence takes time. How long does it take? It can take several months. How long do you practice every day? I practice for an hour every day. Do you have someone to practice with? Not really, I practice alone. How is your family? They are doing well, thanks. How many siblings do you have? I have two brothers. Are you close with them? Yes, very close. Do you see them often? We try to get together every weekend. What do you usually for when you meet? We like to have dinners. Do you cook or order in? A bit of both depends on the mood.